Anyways, hold on. So we're at the Luxor on the 24th floor. Yes? 24th?
That's right, beach.
Alright. Airplane test 2. Because our first one failed. It went in circles and we didn't see it after that.
Okay, you have limited time to do this in.
Okay, ready? We're going in. And there it goes again. Oh, wait.
I don't see it.
That's a good one, dude. That's fucking sick. That is really cool. Oh, wait, no. It's a Dumbo. And it's going in the wrong direction. Hey, our plane will always be over there. Oh, wait. No, it's going further than that.
Whoa.
Oh, shit. It might actually hit somebody. Oh, fuck. Okay, nope. Wait. Alright, it's still going down.
Circle, man.
It might fucking hit some. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, okay. There's still room. How fucking... Oh, shit. Wait. Oh, dude, I can't even see it anymore.
I still see it.
I still do. Oh, shit, dude.
That lady was like, what the fuck?
Oh, it crashed in the fucking tree.